Inferencing also works with the red, green, and blue axis, allowing you to lock movement along a specific axis. You can use the arrow keys or hold down shift to lock movement in a specific direction. For example, if we needed to move this model in a particular direction, we can be more accurate if we use inferencing along an axis. We need to move the model 60 inches along the red axis. First, select the whole model, then select the Move tool. Tap M for Move. Then, click anywhere in the model space and start dragging in the direction of the red axis. A red dotted line will indicate movement on the red axis. But notice how we can still move our cursor around. A black dotted line indicates movement in no particular direction. A green dotted line indicates movement along the green axis. And a blue dotted line indicates that we are moving up and down. When we are comfortable with the direction the model is moving in, we can hold down Shift to lock the movement along that particular axis. We can also use the arrow keys. Tapping the up arrow key will lock movement along the blue axis. The right arrow key locks movement along the red axis. And the left arrow key locks movement along the green axis. As you move the model, notice how the distance is dynamically changing in the measurements box. Once a movement action is started, type in the distance you want to move. In this case, type 60 and press Enter. Then press spacebar to clear the tool. You can also use the axis locking feature for moving smaller elements in the model. Say we wanted to move this whole window to make its sill height 20 inches off the floor. We can draw a guide with the tape measure tool 20 inches from the floor, like this. When we start to pull the guide, we can lock it into the vertical blue axis by tapping the up arrow. Then type in the dimension and press Enter. Then, activate the Select tool by tapping spacebar. Then, click and drag a selection box around the window. Then, activate the Move tool. Then, snap to a point along the bottom of the window opening and start the movement. Then, tap the up arrow to lock the movement along the blue axis. Then, snap to the guideline. Then, activate the Eraser tool and erase the guides.